Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing. We're out at this condo community, and we're taking care of this fence and the back of this set of homes right here. It's just gotten kind of green, and this is you know, multi-family homes, communities. That's a little bit of a different type of clean. So we're here taking care of it. And there we are. We are taking care of the back of those two buildings, which is like probably 8 units or so, and the inside and outside of this fence, so it looks a lot better. It doesn't look as nasty. And next thing we'll be doing is a gutter clean out, and then probably in spring where we're going to be looking at doing all the sides of all the buildings. There's about 8 buildings in this particular complex. Ran by the HOA. So anyway, HOA cleaning at its finest. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.